Hey, hi, Hal. Good evening. Today we will discuss about lookup. So the lookup I'm going to write into the start routine and field level routine, also end routine. Same kind of code I will write into three places, but end routine will give better performance. End routine will give better performance comparing to other two routines. Same activity we are doing with start routine as well as field level routine, but end routine will give the better performance. Let's see how we will write the same code. Okay, what is our requirement? So lookup table is our requirement is we have a lookup table. Lookup table is p table, like slash pa0 p material. That means this means sorry. So we have a material. Material means material table p table means like we have a info object material. We have a info object material. Okay. So whenever we activate zero material, so p table will generate. So when we load data into the zero material attributes to zero material, then p table will fill. So this is our lookup table. This is our lookup table. So when I am going to write code, with the start routine, so source underscore package is internal table. When I write here, this is the result. This is not internal table. Okay. When I write code into the end routine, this is the internal table. So these are the internal table. So then I will compare. Okay. Now we have a one internal table. We have a one internal table when you write into the end routine or start routine. Okay. We have a lookup table. So we need to compare this table, what we discussed yesterday. Start routine means it will have a data source structure. So what is our flow? What is our flow? So I'm trying to load the data from where? Here. This DSO to this DSO. Here you can see this DSO to this DSO. Okay. ZDSO underscore yes. Okay. ZDSO underscore yes. ZDSO underscore yes1. So I'm trying to load from source and target. This is a source. Okay, this is the target. So this means, okay, what is the source? Source means this is source underscore package internal table. It will have section. Okay, are you getting me? So source is always source underscore package internal table. So target will have this is target section. Okay. So we are trying to load data from this source to this target. Okay, in the between we are mapping. In the transformation level, we are mapping. So we have a start routine. When you write the start routine, so there source underscore package will have a structure of this ZDSO underscore yes. So we are trying to do the lookup through start routine. Later we'll do the failover routine. Finally, we will write into the end routine. So end routine we will write in this side and start routine we'll write into the left side. Just observe it, okay? So like I will go here. How will populate? So here you are loading data from here and to here, right? So already we have data in this. Okay. So one of the field is material. One of the field is material. So this material will have different values like whatever we saw yesterday. Example P107. This is the one of the material. Same material is available in the lookup table or not. It will check. Based on that, it will update the material type. So material type is source also it will have it. Okay, target also will have it. Okay. How we will write it generally? Okay. We'll see. Go here. Okay. So in this case, do we have any start routine or end routine? So nothing. So when you are seeing this A4 size white paper, so we don't have any routines written till now. If we see any spec symbol, then some code is written in the start routine or end routine level. Okay. So as of now, we don't have anything. Okay. So what is our target is we have a material. We have a material. And do you want to update the material? Yeah, material type. So, yeah, you can update the material type as well. So we will write the code here itself. Okay. Where we are going to write the code start routine, it will have a source structure. If you write code in the end routine, it will have a target structure. See how many fields are there in target? 19 fields. Okay, real and score package will have 19 and source and score package will have 15. Okay, just got recollect all the things. Okay, and I'm trying to write the code into the start routine. Okay, start source and score package will have a structure of this 15 fields. So what we required, P table we required. Okay, click on this and click OK. Now I'm writing a ABAP code. Okay, ABAP written. So here we need to write the code. Okay, see here end method and this is the start routine. Okay, this is start routine. Yesterday we written code delete something, right? So delete source and score package. So now our requirement is different. We are not going to write this code. Okay, we don't require this code. Okay, now we are trying to do lookup. But when you write the code, when you write the lookup code, lookup code in start routine, it will decay the performance. It will decay the performance. Okay, comparing to end routine. So just comment it for your understanding. So what I need to do first, I need to do the declaration. See here, you can see begin of second global insert code and all. This means this is global declaration. When I do declaration here, I can use the same declaration in the field routine and end routine also. See here, what I need to do declaration. Okay, so just to do user defined structure. User defined structure. Okay. So I'm trying to do user-defined structure whenever you are going to write the code. So this is the declaration. Types colon begin of ty underscore mad. So I'm giving just material. Okay. So end of ty underscore material. So within this, I will write my code. Okay. So matna type matna. I will give material. Okay. MATL TYP. Okay, so I will copy this one. Okay, so like this I will do it. Okay, material and material type. Material type I will do. Okay, so here also I will do material. Okay, this is data element. Okay, so data element will have same structure, 18 length and data type this one. So now in the real time also you need to do like this. /bi0 OI data element. If you double click, it will display the data element. What is the data type? What is the length of this material? So this is like no data element it will display. Okay. How about this one? Second one, metal type. You can go here and you can see metal type. Okay. So this is what we require. That is the way we are copying the property of this metal to this we are assigning. This is user defined. Okay. So you can simply say in the interview also, we have created, if someone asks you write the lookup code, then you need to define in the words, like we need to define the user defined structure. After you define the user defined structure, we need to declare the internal table and work area. Internal table and work area. Work area. Okay. Control less than and you can copy. Internal table. Okay. How you do internal table declaration? See here. IT underscore mat. I will go send mat. Type table of. So just copy this structure name. So in this structure, we having only two fields. I'm going to fill this material type. Okay. This we already have the materials and we are going to fill this material type. This is our requirement. This is we are looking. Okay. So we are looking, we are looking for this field. Fine. I will do it. Okay. Okay. So we are looking this field. Okay. Material type. So now we need to do comma. Okay. So work area, I will do same like this. So just type, this is not table type, this is work area, okay? And now this is the internal table, IT underscore mat, same structure of whatever we have taken type material. This is used different structure. Same structure we are assigning to the internal table. So now internal table will have two fields and work area also having two fields. Now I'm copying the same structure and it will have work area and internal table, both are same. So if someone asks you, okay, what is the difference between internal table and material? Internal table and work area. Okay, internal table will hold multiple records. Will hold multiple records at runtime. Whereas, whereas work area will hold only one record. Hold only one record. Will hold only one record. Okay. So now this is the user friend structure. Okay. So just check it. Okay. No syntax error. So now, so just activate it. Not completed the code. I'm going to check the same whatever we declared. Okay. We written code into the global declaration level. So I can able to see in the end routine as well as. If you go to end routine, in the end routine also I can able to see these internal tables, work area. See here, if you go little up, see, I can see here. If you go to field level routine also, I can able to see it. If you go to field level routine also, I can able to see it. That is the advantage of global declaration. Okay, now I'm trying to do it. Okay, go here. Okay, we written code in up level. Okay, we written code in. Oh, where is our code? Code is gone. Okay, let me write here. So yes, something happened. Okay, I'm going to write again. Okay, begin of day by. So directly you can copy this also, no issues. And this is required material type. Main field is the material type. Okay. See, now we have it. Okay. Now check it. Okay. This is user defined structure. User defined structure. Structure. Okay. Controller. Now I need to declare internal table. Internal table declaration. Declaration. Okay, how we are doing internal declaration of internal table? ID underscore material. Type table of ty underscore material. Then now declaring the work area. Declaring the work area. Declaring the work area. Declaring the work area. Same work area material. Type same this one. This will have, okay, here we need to do the full stop. Now you can check it. Okay, no syntax errors. Now I'll go here. Okay, I will do the select. If source and scope. Now we will write the code select material. Okay, material type. So now we need to look into this one. P table. Okay, because we are bringing data from the P table, right? So first I need to go here. Where is the material? Else in the real time also you need to check like this. Okay, until you get zero material technical name, you need to look there. Okay, go to master data text. Here we have a P table. Okay, so now what is the material name? So Same exact name we need to take from this table. Why? Because we are fetching data from P table. The name also should be matched with this same table. That is the way I'm open the table and I'm getting it. Okay. This is a metal type. Don't give other names. We need to select this table name and we need to give the same table name. See, this is not rocket science. From table. Okay, I'm getting material and material type. From where? Into table. Okay, we already declared internal table, right? From here, I'm getting the data for material type and filling it to internal table. Whatever we declared here, so that structure, that internal table, filling the data. Now we are getting the data from P table. Okay, I will write it. We are fetching the data from P table of material, and filling into internal table. Okay, internal table. Internal table. Okay, internal table. So let me keep it comment. Okay. Now, what is the selection for all entries in source underscore package? Okay, this means what is for all entries in source underscore package? Whatever we have records in the source underscore package, okay, we are checking for MATLAB. Okay, from our table level, we have a material, and here source underscore package material. Oh, source underscore package, what is there? Material name. You need to check here. Material name is material. Okay. So now here material only. So now just check it. Okay. See, I don't see any issues. What we written code, select material type from this table and keeping the data into this internal table. From where source underscore package means what we discussed. We are loading data from source to target, right? This is the source and target, right? In the source level, we already have the data. Okay. So same data we are comparing with this P table. P table master data. That is only lookup, right? Lookup means general term. We are looking to something. Okay. Like this, I am giving key. Where clause is very important in the real time. Whenever the material is matching with the, so this material is from P table. Whatever we are taking material, right? P table. So this is the material. So source underscore package material means whatever we are getting, right? Whatever we are getting ZDSOS, that is the material. So whatever we have structure, right? So that is the material. So from here, that is the data. Okay. Okay. Now it is comparing. Source underscore package material and this P table material comparing. Whenever material is matching, then fill data into internal table. Then what we need to do? If size above C equal to 0, then we need to sort the internal table IT underscore material by material. I'm sorting the internal table. Okay, and if. Okay, this is real time almost. You will see like this. Okay, pretty printer. So now automatically change it. Okay, now I will do the loop. Loop what result and loop what source underscore package assigning source underscore fields. So this is field symbols. Okay. As it is, we need to learn this one. And loop. Okay. So loop means what is? We are taking how many records are there in the source and score package. Example, assume like we having only 10 records. So first record it will take and it will pass to the source and score fields. And then based on our condition, it will check, it will process the data and it will update the data. Now I'm read table id underscore material into read table id underscore into work area. Okay. Whatever we read, right, whatever we fill the internal table, that I'm taking it. Always we need to take internal table. Okay, physical table we will not take in the read statement. Okay, remember this point. Sometimes in the interview also they will ask you what is the difference between loop and read. Okay, when you use read statement, we need to read from the internal table only, not physical table. Physical table means Mara, MAKT, the table we cannot use it. Only internal tables we need to use. For loop level you can use it. Mara, MAKT, the tables we can use it, physical tables. Only we need to use internal tables in the read table. Okay. With the key. With the key, master data level material. And now work area underscore material oh, source underscore fields material. Okay, if size about c equal to 0 and if now once our success is successful, then we will update the field. So what is the field here? Metal type is the field here. Metal type here we need to take source underscore fields. Equal to work area material. Here we need to take the same thing. Okay, did you get here? What we written? See, whenever it is right, when you write the loop or source underscore package assigning region underscore fields, we need to do the immediately end loop. Okay, this is open and this is close of end loop. Okay, loop, what it will do? What is the use of loop? Okay, by using loop, we will process the records. We will process the records. We will process the records record by record. Record by record. It will do the iterations. It will do the iterations. Iterations based on our condition. Based on our condition. Okay. For example, let's say we have 10 records and first it will take one record and then it will process second record and third record, fourth record, like this it will do iterations. And read statement, we are reading the data from internal table and work area and we are comparing the material. And once this means if size of words equal to 0 means previous statement is successful, then previous statement is successful, then it will update previous statement is successful, then it will update the material type. Then material type it will update. Okay. Now check the condition. So do we have any issues here? Doctor is unknown, but there is a field with similar. Okay. Something WK. There is a issue with the WJT. There is a wrong, okay. While I'm declaring itself, I given wrong name, work area. Now we'll see. So, okay, material type is unknown now. What is the material type? Oh, okay. So I given wrong, okay. We need to check in this way. Okay, just check it. This is very important while you written the code. Okay, now I don't see any issues. Let me see, open, and you can see you can use this also, okay. And okay, and check it, and at one time you can do all these things. And pretty printer, okay. This is the how we will write lookup code into the start routine, but it will delay the performance. We will not recommend to write the lookup code into the start routine, but still I'm showing you, okay. You can write it. Okay, I need to remove this one. We already used the metal type. Okay, I will remove this. This I will remove, okay, because we are doing it lookup here only. Okay, from here metal type, where is the metal type? This metal type I will map to the this field. Okay, now I will do the lookup. Once we activate the transformation, we will load the data and we will debug it. Go back. Activate it and execute it. Just execute and we'll see the material type is updating or not. If it is not updating, then we'll see. See here, all records are there. We are not doing any filtering, all records are came. Now, initially data will store into the new data and we are checking in the new data type. Okay, here you can see where is the material type. Okay, double click. Not equal to means if we have any data, then it will display. See, 147 records are there. See, now we can see where is the material type. Here is the material type. Okay, this is the material type. Okay, now you can compare your material type and your material. So maybe you will get some doubt. Okay, we are loading data from, okay, and go to where is our master data table. This is the master data table, and go here and check it. Okay, what is our, see here, we updated, and go here and exort it. Now you can see material type is, see, how we will search for material type in the master data. Look for our material type. Okay, this is the material type. Can go here and you can write. See here, no, this is the material 1180. Now I can see R110 and material type is no. This is how. So maybe you will get some doubt. Okay, what is the doubt? Okay, so we are loading data from this DSO to this DSO. So in this DSO, might be we have some data, right? Material type data is available or not, we will check it. Okay, so we don't have any data for the material type. Okay, I'm checking in the active table. Carefully observe it. Okay, you can see the 00 as well and execute it. So in the active table, we don't see any active request number and all. You can see here, material type is blank. Right click and you can go set filter and you can see it. Okay, nothing will be there. Okay, complete blank. So I'm populating in the next level, start routine level. Okay, observe it. Okay, this is the okay source. Okay, in the source level, we don't have data. Okay, while updating to next level, S1 level, I written code into in this level, in the start routine level. It will decay the performance. How how it will decay the performance, we'll see. Okay, so how much time it is taken to update it? Double click and go to last request. Go to last request. How much time it is taking to update the data? 11 seconds. You can see here, while update only. See here. Okay, here you can see 1 second it is taking. Total 6 seconds it will take in. Okay, total 11 seconds it is completing. So when we write code into the same code, I will write into the PLO routine. That we will see it. Okay, and yeah, next part I will update it. Okay.